What's good guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this interactive card section in Framer. Start by adding a frame, duplicate it by hitting Ctrl D. Resize the second frame. Change the color of the smaller frame and double click it to fill some text into it. Select both the frames and hit Ctrl Enter to change them to a stack. Change the position of the smaller frame to absolute so you can manually position it on the frame. Select the parent frame and duplicate it 3 times and arrange them like this. Then we'll select all the squares and hit Ctrl Enter to put a frame around them. Right click the largest frame and hit Create Component. Name it and now we can make the magic happen. Now we'll be making variants of the primary component and adjusting the size of the frames in them. Select the first variant and on the right we'll see a purple square. Select it to add a variant. Next we'll adjust the smaller frames. Select the frame on the top right and reduce its width to 200 pixels. Then select the frame on the top left and increase its width to take up the available space. I've set mine to 496 pixels. While the top right frame is selected, in Layout change the distribution to Start. This will make the inner frame that will hold the image to be fixed to the start of the frame, which is the left. Now adjust the size and position of the smaller text card to fill the remaining space on the right. Go back to the first variant and select the top left frame and select the larger child frame inside it. In Styles on the right side of the editor, select Fill and change it to Image. Select Choose the Image button and insert the image of your choice. As you can see, the image is updated on the first and second variant. Changes made to the primary variant are applied to the duplicate variants. Now we'll repeat the entire process, adding variants and making one frame larger and reducing the size of the frame beside it.
My dance make it hurt.
This will take some time, so let's just speed through it. Now we can connect them to get the amazing interactions. Go to the first variant on the left. Select the top right frame and you'll see a lightning bolt appear on the right edge. Select and drag it to the second variant. Now every time you select the top left frame, it'll animate to the second variant. Now let's repeat. Select the top right frame, grab the lightning bolt and connect it to the third variant. Repeat this for the other two. Now on the other variant, select the largest frame and attach them back to the main variant. Done. And that's how you create this beautiful interaction in Framer.